All right, hello and welcome. Brett here with Clickmill.co. So in this video, we are going to be creating a Google Analytics configuration tag. Now, I want to break this down a little bit because we're starting to get into some of the complexity. And again, this is just a basic tag manager build. So what we have done is we've actually started just a little bit backwards, but I wanted to show you what a tag was. So we went ahead and we built a test tag. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, in between last video and this video, we went and created an actual Google Analytics account for this property. And if you want to know how to make a Google Analytics account, check out our course on Google Analytics. But we've go ahead and we've linked it up to the real account. Now, in this video, we're going to go backwards because the test tag is not going to be able to talk to Google Analytics until we create some initial configuration tags that actually link Tag Manager with Google Analytics. So we've got to tell Tag Manager it's okay to send information over there. So we're going to make two. And in this information, we're going to make the first of those two, and that is called a Google Analytics configuration tag. So we're just configuring the ability for Tag Manager to talk to and send data back and forth to Google Analytics. So all that sound right, Neil?
Yep.
Okay. So we don't really need to set anything because these are super basic tags. We don't really need to set any variables or triggers for this because you're only going to do these one time. This is just you're starting an account and you just make these two tags and that's it. And then all of the other tags you build will be like the one we built with variables and triggers and everything else. So we'll go ahead. We're going to hit new. And Neil, if we're naming this for real, because this is a real account, what would you name that? For
Just the website name.
site. Well, this is a configuration tag, right?
Yeah, for if it's a configuration tag, you can just simply name it like GA4 configuration tag.
Perfect.
And for the sake of naming conventions, you can just enter the website name just in case you're already managing multiple websites or multiple
We'll say
accounts.
Omni AUTO, Omni Automation, something like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we're going to come here and Neil, we're going to Analytics.
Yep. Google Analytics.
And we're going to Google Tag.
Google Tag. Yeah.
Okay. And then we're going to paste in our Google Analytics account ID. And for those of you who will need to find your Google Analytics account ID, you go to admin, you're going to go to data streams right here, and then you'll see your account ID in your data stream up here, and you just copy that and bring it over. So we've gone ahead and put in the account ID. And Neil, you said trigger on all pages. Is that correct? No, on initialization
Yeah,
on
that's
all
correct.
pages.
Yep.
Okay.
For this tag, all pages.
All pages. Okay. So what we are giving Google Analytics the ability to do is access, and we're giving Tag Manager the ability to send information and tags and triggers and events that happen on all pages of the website. So that's what's happening here. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to save this. And again, this is a one-time setup. I'm just configuring a one-time tag so that Google Analytics 4 can communicate. Okay, so in the next video, we are going to set up another one-time tag that is going to allow us to send conversion information between Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. So this is just going to be broad and general for all information, and it is just enabling the two to talk to each other. And the next one, it's going to prioritize the tags. When the tag fires, it is going to only send that conversion information and make sure it shows up accurately. So that's what we're going to look at in the next video. Neil, anything you want to add to this?
Nope, all good.
Okay, great work. We'll see you in the next video.